Honda will also tend to use the same colorful 6.5-inch TFT dashboard used on 1100, and Apple CarPlay can work in a way to 850. Cruise controls will likely be seen in the middle class as well. Africa Twin 850 would be more than likely to use semi-double cradle frame steel also derived from 1100, while employing a long journey Showa suspension to absorb all the imperfections of the traces and the asphalt you pointed towards. We also expect a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel to be used, offering a serious off-road capability. Just like the 1100 African Twin, we expect up-spec, more capable of adventure sports trim for 850. Taking note of the long-stroke model, it should be expected for more fuel capacity, the Showa EERA semi-active suspension, a customizable the windscreen, the tubeless ban, and more. But, of course, that will come at an additional cost. Somewhere in the additional range of $3,000, just like the Model 1100.